Welcome again, Matinex. So, here are our 5th and 6th examples. This time, given the endpoints of the diameter of our circle. So, the endpoints of the diameter, what is the diameter? The diameter is the longest chord of the circle because the endpoints the endpoints are on the circle, but it passes through the center. Okay, it is the only chord of a circle that passes through the center. Okay, so here is one of the diameter, 3 and 1. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 1. So here is one of the endpoints, and the other endpoint is at 3 and why negative 3? Ay, baliktad. Dun pala yung 3 and 1. Sorry. 3 and 1 and 3 and negative 3. Ayan. So if we are going to draw a line connecting these 2 points, then we have our diameter. And of course, the diameter is half baliktad. The radius is half the diameter. So kapag hahatiin natin itong diameter, then half nun ay radius. And as I have said, it passes through the center, meaning yung midpoint nito, yun na yung center. Okay? Okay. This time, kitang-kita natin kung nasaan yung center. Paano kapag hindi mo na siya i-draw? Okay? O, kapag tinamad ka lang mag-draw, katulad kapag bibigyan ko kayo ng ganitong example or ganitong quiz, hindi ko na kayo pag-drawingin. Ano na lang gagawin natin? Okay, ang gagawin natin ay kukunin natin yung midpoint. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, yung midpoint, yun na yung center natin. So, we have here, can you still remember? Can you still remember how to get the midpoint of two or of a segment? Okay, so ang formula ay x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. Remember, kapag sinabi nating midpoint, then we are referring to the coordinates of a point. So, x and y pa rin yan. Diba? Coordinates naman talaga yung hinahanap natin dyan. Okay, so this is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Napakadali na yan. Mag-plus lang, then magdi-divide. Okay, so our x sub 1 is 3 plus x sub 2 is 3 divided by 2. And then we have y sub 1 is 1 plus y sub 2 is negative 3 divided by 2. Then simplifying that, we can already have our midpoint. Then we have the coordinates of our center, which is the midpoint of these 2 points. Or 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 1 plus negative 3 is negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Yay! We already have the coordinates of our center. So this is our H and this is our K. Ayan. And so ang kulang na lang natin ay yung R. Again, halimbawa kapag ayaw mong mag-drawing, para dito kasi kitang-kita mo na 2 yung ating radius. Okay, paano naman kapag wala kang drawing? Of course, you are to use again the formula for distance. Ayan. So, yun ba yung kukunan natin ng distance? Hindi. Of course, hindi. Pwede rin yun, tapos magdi-divide ka pa ng pwede rin ito, tapos i-divide mo pa siya by 2. Pero this time, dito na natin siya kukunin. From this point up to this point na. Ayan. Okay? So, we have our x sub 1 is 3 minus our x sub 2 is 3 quantity squared minus, is it minus or plus? Huh? Plus. Okay, and then we have y sub 1 is 1 minus negative 1. Ayan na, ganun na nga natin. Quantity squared. Okay? And so, we get 0 squared plus 2 squared. And then we have square root of 4. And that is equal also to 2. O, kita nyo na? Sabi ko sa inyo, 2 yung sagot. Okay? Ay, sorry. Hindi nyo nakita. And so, this is our radius. Our radius is equal to 2. Our h is equal to 3. And our k is equal to negative 1. Okay? And so, our formula or our equation now is x minus, ang lalaki kasi ng sulat mo, ma'am. Oo nga. Minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus negative 1 quantity squared equals our radius is 2 squared. Simplifying, we have x minus 3 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared equals 4. Napaka-simple. Okay? So, kapag hindi nyo naintindihan, kapag medyo nalito kayo, balikan nyo lang yung video. Siguradong maiintindihan ninyo. Okay? Bago kayo magtanong, balikan muna yung video natin. Now, let us have our 6th example. This time, given natin ay concentric circle and or the formula for a concentric circle and the diameter. Sandali guys, nauuhaw si ma'am. Kaya babalik ako. Doon na tayo sa next na video. Okay? Sa next video na natin ito.